Thanks for the comment. Here's your suggestion.
I'm going to be doing the bottle of Coke challenge today. So what I'm going to be doing is drinking the full bottle of Coke, then adding my pumps to it, and we're going to get a pretty good burp out of this. Here we go. All right, guys, here's the burp.